Hello. So we are going to discuss about cybercrime warrants. Okay, so we have four kinds of cybercrime warrants. First, we will discuss about the warrant to disclosure computer data or the WTCD. So, a warrant to disclosure computer data requires any person or service provider to disclose subscribers' information, traffic data, or relevant data in his or her or its possession or control within 72 hours from receipt of the order. So, ang warrant to disclose computer data is an official order issued by a judge in the name of the people of the Philippines. So, it authorizes law enforcement agencies to require any person or service provider to disclose or submit information or any relevant data related to computer systems or communication channel. So, what is the purpose of WDCD? The WDCD allows authorities to obtain information about users, their online activities, and communication patterns. It also helps in investigations related to cybercrimes. Next we have is the warrant to intercept computer data or the WICD. WICD is an order in writing issued in the name of the people of the Philippines, signed by a judge upon application of law enforcement authorities, authorizing the latter to carry out any or all of the following activities, such as listening to, recording, and monitoring, and also the surveillance of the content of communications, including procuring of the content of computer data either directly through access and use of a computer system or indirectly through the use of electronic eavesdropping or tapping devices at the same time that the communication is occurring. So WICD authorizes the monitoring, the recording, or surveillance of communication content during its transmission. Okay, next we have the warrant to search, seizure, and examination of computer data. Uh, the WSSECD is like a search warrant, except the subject matter of a WSSECD is computer data. Okay, so WSSECD is an official order issued by a judge in the Philippines. So it grants law enforcement authorities the authority to search a specific location or items that need to be seized and or examine. Ano naman yung purpose? Okay, the purpose is it allows law enforcement to search a particular place. An example such as a physical location or a specific computer system, no, to collect evidence related to cybercrimes. It also authorizes the seizure of relevant items, including computer hardware, storage devices, or any other materials that may contain digital data. And the last is we have the warrant to examine computer data or the WECD. WECD is a warrant issued when a computer device or system is previously seized by another lawful method, such as a warrantless arrest. So before searching any device seized, law enforcement must apply for a WECD. The request for a WECD must also state the relevance and necessity of the data sought and describe particularly the information sought to be disclosed. Also, the request must state the likely offense involved. So, the warrant to examine computer data is used when law enforcement acquires possession of a computer device via lawful means, example, arrest, and it needs to examine its data. So WECD allows, again, the law enforcement agencies to search a computer device or computer system that has been previously seized through lawful means. So this seizure could occur via a warrantless arrest or in flagrante delicto or the caught in the act, or pwede ring voluntary surrender. So before conducting any search on the seized computer device, the law enforcement must apply for warrant to examine computer data. So that is all for the cybercrime warrants. Again, we have four. The very first one is warrant to disclosure computer data. Second is warrant to intercept computer data. The third is warrant to search, seizure, and examination of computer data. And the last is the warrant to examine computer data. So that is all. So thank you for listening.